Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do this wall break very easy. So you just click system cabinet. We're gonna use system cabinet. Okay. Then you drag this one part and superboard. Okay. After that you just change the size. Like this one I give it 100 and this one I'll give it 225. Okay. And this one I give it 112. Okay, the break size up to you. Okay, then you can try Ctrl V, see how first. Okay, if like this not okay, then you can change this one 225, then this one 112. Okay, because later I need to copy Ctrl V, right? Then can convenience. If like this, then okay. Okay, so then I'll just rotate it first. I'll press X, rotate it. Okay. You don't press X also can, guys. Press Z enough. Okay, we can rotate it already. Okay, so when I press Ctrl V, correct. Okay, so after that you just press Ctrl V. Maybe this one we add 200. Okay, then another one. I think 180 is enough lah. 180. Okay, then another one. Ctrl V. Add 180. You and another one, Ctrl V, add 180. Okay, so I do like 5 lah. Okay, Ctrl V, add 180. Okay, then remember group it first. This one is a simple step. Okay, must group it. Ctrl G, group it first. If you want favorite it also can. Okay, give it a name. Okay, let's go favorite, drag another one. Okay, drag out. Okay, this time we're gonna use this one to move out. Okay, remember give it an elevation. This one give it an elevation. How much? 100 enough lah. Okay, my height is 100 only. 100. Okay, move it in. Z, move it in. This thing you cannot fix one, so you just agak do only. Okay, move it. Okay, then continue, do again, or just drag another one, or continue, do again. Okay, I give it 200. Okay, then move it in. Or you can check here 226, right? Then here give it 226. Okay, simple. Then this one may be same, this one may be same, they are same height. Okay, so this one here 1997, so you change it off 1977, enter. Yeah, okay, 997, 977. Okay, so you just need to do some maths. So after consistently do, I think I do 5 force break here. Okay, let's say a few moments later. Okay, then we do the continue. I do one more again in case you don't know. Okay, just drag out only. Actually you can group and drag more. Okay, so make sure you get a line with the num 2204. Okay, 2204, enter. Then this one 1 2 3 4 5, so 500. Okay, if something like this, remember Ctrl Z, hold your shift button, select. Okay, in case. Okay, and then they can move together. Then remember check back the 226. Okay, so 2266, enter. Okay, so let's say you move a certain area, then you will come to this this picture. You want some curve, right? Okay, so you can like this. Remember maybe 2 or 3 4 here, you do curve also, but I do this one a bit curve lah. Okay, so here I control shift select. Okay, I ungroup everything first. Shift select. Okay, ungroup it. Control B. Okay, shift select, ungroup it. Control B. Shift select, ungroup it. Control B. Okay, then shift select, ungroup it. Control B. Or then shift select, ungroup it. Control B. Or shift select, ungroup it. Control B. Because I need to rotate now, guys. So now maybe okay. So maybe here I need to rotate a bit. Okay. So this one I will Ctrl G, group it. Okay. Then I rotate a bit though. I think 2 by 2 is better lah. 2 by 2 is better. You better build up one, then 2 by 2. Okay. After you group already, then you can rotate it. Press X lor. What to do? Press X. Okay. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Okay. Press Z. Okay. This one. Rotate it a bit. Okay, a bit. Really like you making the break. Okay. Rotate it a bit. Okay. Maybe this one here I also rotate. You also can do like this. Build up everything, then select the area. Okay. Remember, you can always shift Control B. Okay. Then select the. Okay, this one I delete. 2, 3, 4, 5. Control B, Control G. Okay, rotate it. Shift select first, then rotate everything. Okay. Don't know why. Sometimes you just need like this. Okay. Then maybe you can copy here, or if you're smart. Copy it. Okay. Then Control G. Don't need flavor lah. If you want flavor also can. Then Control V. This depends how you play, guys. It's here. Okay. Shift select it. Okay. Move it here. Move it here. Then rotate it. Let me see. Is it okay? If not okay, the workmanship not okay. So you can see curve already. I'll start to see curve. Okay. So if you're lazy, you know how to do lah. Group and group and group. Okay. So the thing I don't talk here. So this one I need to do one thing lah, to show you, because some of the customers say this one will do all outside. What about outside? Okay. So you remember how to play with the group and ungroup first. Okay. So ungroup everything, then you group again. Control G. Then maybe you want, you can favorite it. So I put wall 1, favorite it. There's my wall 1. Simply unnamed no use on this one. Okay. So you can just drag out outside only. At outside you just drag it out. Okay, you can go to here. Just drag outside, put outside. Okay. Remember, change the material before you copy. So this one I use wood texture. Okay. So that's all for the today. So you can adjust by yourself the thing you need to adjust by yourself. Okay. So after that, it will look like this. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.